I'm gonna do a giveaway or type deal with that truck. I went through the chemo myself not that long ago, but I can't keep working like I've been. So she mentioned to maybe do a raffle on that truck, so I figured I would, if that's what she wanted to do. So I don't know, anyone got any ideas on how to go about doing that? Because it'll be the first time I ever done anything like that. So ran over the Windex.
Doesn't even look that big. That's it. Let's work. Drink. Time is it? 2? Alright. That's good.
Hey, some of y'all know I just went through the leukemia, blood cancer. So I got done with that. I feel like shit all the time still, but I don't know. And now my wife, she has stage 2 breast cancer. I can't hardly, I worked the whole time I did that shit, but I don't think I can do it again. Work as much as I used to. It's taking a toll on me for trying to work or whatever. I've always worked fundraiser, big benefit deal for her, you know. She feels she needs to work too and contribute, which she always has. She's always contributed no matter what. She feels that she needs to work still. I think the keynote is it's being worse on her. I only lost spots of hair. She's already bald, and she's only had chemo twice. It's pretty rough. Now she asked me how did you work on doing that? I said, I just did. I don't know. I made myself, but it was hard. And she knows how it. You don't know how it feels until you can think it's no big deal or whatever, but you won't know how it feels until if you had to, which no one has to go through that, but if you had to go through it, that's the only way you would know. So it's painful. I gotta do something for her. Try to do it like a benefit fundraiser deal, like I said. I don't know how to go about doing it. Dwayne coming in, 86-250. anyone's got any ideas, you know, drop them in the comments, because I really don't know what I'm doing with that.
The problem with my fingers not wanting to open.
I've never done anything like that before, so or even I never asked nobody for nothing. You know, I don't like doing that. I don't think I can just keep on working full 40 to 50 hours, 60 hours, whatever I work a week. I don't think I can. I wouldn't wish this shit on anybody, ever. I hope I don't have to go through that again. That's the second time I've been through it. The first time was in 2010, and then it went dormant or whatever. Nobody talked about it on this. Nobody. I didn't tell anybody until it was months later. My wife didn't like that. She didn't like that at all. I was just trying to save people from stressing out. It's not a good idea to not tell anyone, because they get really mad. They get mad.
So, got about an hour, half an hour, 45 minutes left, and I'm done today. Feel a lot better so far than I did with the last one. I'm not so out of it right now, at least not that I know of. It could change. I could not remember this later. It's possible. And then, yep, the last bag. A little swollen. I got a headache a little bit. And this goes right in my porch. Right in the porch. And then that'll probably take all the rest of the stubble away. It's been falling out still.
Alright then. Why are you doing that?
No, showing off.
Oh.
Showing a little power.
Oh. Alright.
Put everything in the back.
Yeah. Alright. You ran over a Windex.
Right?
You didn't hear it?
Cracks that day too, and it went squirting everywhere.
Are you guys leaving right away then?
Say something.
What? Say something.
My son Christopher.
You got something to say, or pink lady?
I'm frozen. What do I say?
You
Hi.
usually don't have a problem
Hi.
talking any other time. You're just gonna stare at that? It's all done.
Yeah. I didn't sleep at all today.
That's because I was here.
That I know, but usually as soon as that Benadryl hits me, that lorazepam, I think it is, but it'll help me sleep.
It'll help you sleep now?
I'm gonna have problems sleeping probably a few times out of the next week. I don't know. No, not right away. We're in Walmart, I think, and then
What are you going to Walmart for?
need a little bit of groceries while I'm here.
Oh.
I mean, we're out of like certain things we gotta get.
You want to finish this bag of fluids, right, or no?
I think I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, okay, let me flush your line to at least clear the
Yeah,
table.
yeah.
But if you want the rest of the fluids, I can zip that through in 10 minutes, up to you. Sometimes it's good
Sure,
to have
yeah,
extra
yep.
fluids. Okay, so I'm going to
That's
flush
good.
this. It's going to be in
Good.
like 2 minutes, and then I'll flush it through fast.
Yeah, that's good. You're right.
Okay.
It is good to have
Okay.
some fluids. So we're gonna zip right through the fluids so I stay hydrated. It's good and pee some of this stuff out of me. It's icky stuff. But if you need a few things, it's fine.
Okay.
Milk or bread or
Who's that?
yeah, but
My roommate.
you could order a box for 50
I
bucks
thought it
and
was
it'll last
Luke.
you for a year.
What?
I thought it was Luke.
No, Luke.
No, Luke moved out.
Oh,
No, Tate.
Oh, Taden moved
I
out.
don't even know who Tater is.
Taden.
That's what they call him sometimes.
Tater.
Actually, he's Tater.
Tater nuts.
I'm gonna start calling him
Tater nuts?
that. He moved out, so I moved in.
Who is Luke Haig?
Luke?
Luke Haig.
That's who worked with Mittlighter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then they got shit canned.
He works
didn't
up at the
show up.
oil fields right now.
Yeah.
He said they're hiring good money up there. He's trying to help recruit people this way.
Yeah,
I'm like,
bullshit.
he's like, pass this video around.
Get
Yeah,
out
you
of
make
here.
a killing up there.
I know, I made $5,000 a week. Or what?
But I don't know what else they
Yeah.
train for, but yeah. I suppose it could be.
A lot of lifting stuff.
Oh yeah, I don't want to break your back.
Yeah, boy, that's what you
I've
do.
had 3 broken backs.
No. 3. You've only got one back, and that's how can you have 3 broken backs if you've only got one back?
I'm going to give you the back of this. That's what I'm going to do.
Well, do you hear? She had 3 broken
These are my new
backs.
backs.
Yeah.
You can't
What?
have 3 broken
This
backs
is the
when you
back,
only got
this is
one.
the back, and this is a hand, backhand.
They gave you too much drugs.
Somewhat.
Some hair cutting. And get rid of that porn stash.
No haircut.
I told him, yeah, his,
This won't go away. It comes back right away.
Yeah, it comes back right
I
away
take it
after the
off.
cat licks it
I
off.
take it off and even bother if I don't want it.
Yeah,
Comes
because
back
it took
in
10 months to grow that little
Comes
porn
back
stash.
comes back in 5 minutes. I don't bother to take
5
it off.
minutes.
Whatever, liar.
I'll shave it all off, wax it.
Well, you should probably start with that shit under your nose.
No, it comes back right away. I'm telling you.
You know, I doubt it because I know it probably took you 10 months to
No.
grow that.
No.
Huh,
It
woman?
comes back right away. 5
Huh,
minutes.
woman, you know.
Five,
You know the deal.
5 minutes it comes back.
Oh,
right
well, then
away.
how come mine don't come
I
back in
don't
5
know, I
minutes?
don't have any
I don't
hair.
know.
It
I
ain't
know.
growing back.
It is. There's stubs on there.
I think you're dead. He don't even want to show my face on the camera.
Yeah,
It's on there.
I know, but he's like, tries to hide it real quick when I took
No, I
this off.
didn't.
Yeah, he did. Yes,
wrong.
he did.
you're taking more poison than they gave me, I'll tell you that. They only gave me 2 bags. It didn't take but 45 minutes. Yours takes 6 hours.
I'm surprised they don't give you more bags of fluid while you're sitting
And they
there.
didn't put a port like that in me neither.
I don't know what other kind of port they have. A catheter
No,
port.
they put it right here.
Just a catheter?
Or right here, I mean.
Did they leave a catheter?
No, they didn't put a catheter on me.
Just, I meant like just for,
Oh yeah, one of those line
yeah, like
ones.
this, like that, and have it hang out?
Yeah, right
Yeah.
here.
yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
mean.
Yeah, they had it taped on
they
there.
Find a nice vein and they
They left it there.
yeah,
Yeah, they
that's a
didn't put.
catheter port.
Oh, well, I thought that
Or
was
something
for
like that.
piss. But
This is just a port. You
yeah,
just take that out.
yeah, because mine was I only had 8 rounds. You, and the time before I had 6.
That's all I'm gonna have is like 6. Where'd my other glove go?
here.
Oh, you can't even see the road. You don't know what you're doing.
You don't know
Holy
what
shit,
you're doing.
down there like 2 feet.
That's 3 feet.
Oh. What the hell? You might as well lay under the back tire so I can just drive right over you.
Shut up.
So I get some traction.
Free.
Hold on, my phone's ringing.
Oh, for fucking.
Hello? Hey. I'm busy right now. I gotta go. I'm Robert's talking. Hold on.
I don't have to hold on.
It's coming.
Yeah,
You gotta get at a different angle.
yeah, no, I'm gonna. Look at that. Don't worry about
Look
that.
at the nose up to your ass cheeks. Man, I might. Ready? Ready?
Yeah, get her in reverse.
I know what I'm doing.
You don't know.
I know.
what you're
You know how many
doing.
times I've done this? And I check them out now.
Hey, don't do it.
Oops. Hey, you got life insurance? I should have worn my snowsuit. These boots are up to my knees and they're still freaking getting snow in them.
J-hook you with this J-hook.
Get out of here.
I'll back it out, pussy.
I just don't like it. I can't see.
You don't need wipers in the wintertime. Get on that person side. Back it out. Hey, doggy, there you go.
Until next time.